Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi this time, Miss Cali Cat? You want to say hi? She does not say hi all day. I think she got tired of that trick. Y'all, I ordered some jewelry. So I reached out to this company. It's called Treasal, I believe. Treasal. And they have some pretty stuff. And I actually applied to be on their ambassador program, and I wanted to see what it was like. So, you want to see what I got? Ooh, jewelry. All right, so they all came in this little bag. I'm gonna pull them out because I didn't mark out my address on it. All right, so they did come from overseas, so keep that in mind. But their website does have a spot where you can change it to the US dollar or whichever currency you are. Oh my goodness, y'all. The jewelry, okay. What I did, I went online and I did get this full review. I believe I only paid shipping, which still was about $30, but what they are charging on the website is nowhere near the $30 I paid for these 3 pieces. Yo, okay, where do I start? This one is, I went on there and I went to like their most popular jewelry section, and this is the square zirconian crystal pendant, I think that's right. It says $103, but look at the gorgeousness of it. Oh my goodness, y'all. It is extendable. I cannot see it being worth $103. I really can't. Shame on me. What ambassador am I? It is stainless steel. This necklace will emphasize your style in a big city or on a vacation in the sea. Material type 18 karat gold plated. So I got it in the gold. Let's pop it on. So yes, there is a little gem in there that's just floating around in this box, which I think is so cute. I think it's just too cute. Is that not cute? Oh my goodness. I also think the website's doing a half off right now too. I'll look into that. I think she is actually going to send me a half off code. I'm not really sure. 30% off autumn styles. End of sale, end of season, half off. Yeah, they're doing a lot of half offs right now, so that's always good. Well, let's look at the next piece. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. Well, look at this necklace, y'all. This necklace was just screaming my name. Oh, look at it. It's purple. It is so cute. Oh, what does it say on the side? Oh, it says beloved. Yeah, it just says beloved twice on there. That is super cute. Beloved. Lucky crystal pendant, $97. This is a worthy piece of jewelry, enough to add grace and elegance to any outfit. 18 karat gold plated in purple. I mean, is that not just super cute? Also has the extender, same little claw clippy thingy hoochie my bobby. They're both the same length, so I'm gonna put this one as far down as it'll go. What do we think, y'all? I think they're pretty cute. All right, let's do the earrings. They say Milan jewelry. Trendy round crystal earrings, $95. Better looking ears, more attractive view. All right, what do we think, y'all? I think they're pretty cute. So is this a company you want to see more jewelry from? Do you like it? I mean, I kind of like it. We'll see if it turns anything or does anything, but I'm going to wear it around and I'll give you some updates. Yeah, fun, y'all. If I can get any links for discounts or anything like that, I will put them down below. Don't forget to check out the company and see what kind of stuff they got. Y'all, thanks so much for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day and God bless.